Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for all the messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can just get started right now. So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use gmail.com full tutorial. So let's get it started right now. Of course, you have an account on Gmail because we use it in our social media as you can see. So about gmail.com or mail.google.com, or we have the application of Gmail, you can just here use it for various options and various things. For example, if you want to here send to your friend, or if you want to here open a dashboard from other platforms, if you want to also here getting started using social media and other things. So you have to know of various options in these platforms, which is mail.google.com. Right, so we have here firstly in the top left the button of compose. About this one, it's very important to send an email. I will show you how you can do that. Also we have here, if you want to hear the button of CC or BCC as well, you have just to add here, go and you add whatever you want. You have here also this one, you add whatever you want. So firstly you have to add your email address. I will add it right now. As you can see right now, I will just here add the subject, for example, asking asking for advices. Then I will just come back right now. I will start by writing, hey, I hope everything's doing well. And you find here, it's we find here also is well with you, and I will choose here is doing well. Here we have the suggestion that you will find. If you want it, you click over here to tap like that, as you can see. Then you start and you continue whatever you want. Then we have also here other options such as endo. We have here also redo. We have here sans ref. You can just select here ref fixed with widget, and we have a wide. We have narrow. I will show for example how. So let's just select here for example this one. I will just here put it like that. Then I will select for example this one. We have here wide, and then I will just go and I will select huge. Then we have want to make it bold, italic, underline. About the text color, we'll select here about the background color, this one. About also here the text color, we'll select the black one, and then it will get started right now. So here we have it how it looks, as you can see. Then you will find also if you want here alignment for about list numbered list, sorry. Then about the numbered list, I will put it with here this one. Then if you want to for example here, which is battled list. Then we have here if we want to indent list. Then we have also here indent more code. We have a right to left. Then we have also here strike draw, and then we have also remove formatting, right? So if we come back here, we'll find here firstly schedule send, or you can just send directly. So about schedule send, you have just to click over it, and you'll find here firstly this one is select this morning, this afternoon, Monday morning, or pick a date and time by selecting here of, as you can see, I'll just select the date and the time, then you click over scheduled send, right? So also we have other options, as you can see. For example, we'll find here attach files. If from your computer, you select your computer and you start attaching your files. And also we have here insert link. If you want to insert link text to display, we have a web address, select web address or email address. Then you have to add here to what email address should this link. Then we have a web address. To what URL should this link go? So we have here not sure what to put in the box. First, find the page on the web what you want to link to. We have search engine might be useful. Then we have copy the web address from the box in your browser's address bar and paste it into the box above. You will just click over OK, and it will get started right now, right? So also we have here other options such as insert link. So I already mentioned this one. If you want to hear emoji, If you want to also here insert files, and you select here if you want to here my drive, share with me, and upload as well. Then you'll find also here if you want to insert photo. But this one you find here Google Photo, albums, and also if you want to upload it, click over here and you choose the pros and you start with that, and then you will find a whole also web address. You have just to paste URL of image and you get started with this one. Right, then we have also here the option of toggle confidential mode. You have just to select if one expires in 1 day, expires in 1 week, expires in 1 month, expires in 2 months, or 5 years. I will select 1 day, then we'll click over save. Then we have also here other one which is insert signature. Just manage signatures if we want, and then we have the last one which is this one. Just select if we want to default to full screen, want to label as a social updates, forums, promotions. Then we have plain text mode. We have print, text plain, set up a time to sheet. Right? You have the offer times. You are free. Create an event as well if you want. So that's it for this one. You have just right now to click over send and you sent it, or you can just here delete this one. Also we have here other things, for example inbox, start, we have a send, draft, more, and we have labels. If you want to create labels, as you can see, click over here and you have to enter a new label name, then you next label enter and you click over create. In the top you'll find here the settings. As you can see, you'll find here see all settings. So about this one, you'll find here various things such as general labels, inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses, forward and a pop, and we have map, and we have also here add-ons. As you can see, we have also here short and mid, advanced, offline and themes. So we have just to select the one you want and you change or you modify all these things, as you can see. So we'll find here language, phone numbers, maximum page size, send. We have your default reply behavior, hover actions, send and archive. We have your default text style, images, dynamic, email, grammar. We have here span, autocorrect, smart compose, personalization, conversation, view. Then we have an adjust, smart reply, smart features and personalization, smart features and personalization in other Google products. Then we have package tracking, desktop notification, and other things that could help you guys. So this is about this settings. You can just modify it right now and you get started with this one, as you can see. So this is how it works with email address, and you start by just composing and you use these options that could help you in Gmail, right? So also we have here in the right calendar if you want it. As you can see, find here calendar. If you want to also here keep, and you find here to the list, you have just to take a note and you get started. You have here also, for example, tasks. As you can see, you can just add a task and you got started. Then we have also here contacts, and if you want to here get add-ons. All right, so this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.